We have a dumpster roll-off business for construction companies. We started in 2012 with one dumpster, and now we have 30. I couldn't believe what they left out of my business and what they were just doing and getting paid for lots of money. And I really didn't have straight QuickBooks. When I started with Candus, I needed her desperately. So when I started in June, July, by October, I was so well on my way. And I have a laptop that I had her on one and my laptop, and I was doing according to what she would say, the profit and loss. And it's just so short now compared to it was like really long. I do my morning checkups and I do a little bit in the afternoon, and in the evening when the books come in, I input the data and I'm done. I probably went down from 10 hours a day to 3 or 4. It's like part-time work now. I have struggled a long time to find someone to teach me. So I knew when I found this good professor, Candus, if they're really interested in finding a way to clean their books, to keep their books, it's a small investment. If I can get it and tweak my books the way she taught me, anybody can do it. The world doesn't stop with my QuickBooks now. I'm not scared. Even my husband noticed the stress is gone.